Good morning everyone. So today I wake up early and hanging out to have the breakfast like real Hanoi. And let's see what they have in the breakfast. No big plan, just wandering, hanging around, and we'll find out something to warm up our stomachs. So that's all. Welcome to Basu Street Riot number 76, which is very famous for sticky rice with local people. So stepping into this sticky rice shop, you hit immediately with the flavor and the aroma of sticky rice in here. It's not the fancy one, but this is exactly where the charm lies. It's all about the food. Cô ơi, cho con một pate trứng thịt ạ. Vâng ạ. So I went to the classic one where they have the incredibly satisfying combination between sticky rice with pork, egg, pate. Let me break it down for you. This isn't just any rice. It's perfectly steamed gluten rice, incredible soft, slightly chewy, forming its perfect canvas for own flavor to come. So it's very warm, comforting to kick start of your day. In tender, slow-cooked pork belly, often caramelized and sweet, but it has a hint of goodness savory. It particularly melts in your mouth and pairs beautifully with the rice. So now is where it gets a lot of interesting for foreigners. Vietnamese pate often made from pork liver and has a rich, creamy texture and deeply savory, almost umami flavor. It adds a luxurious depth to the dish that's surprisingly addictive.
Ibiza.
Don't decide, just give it a try. So next to the egg, usually is a fried egg, cooked just right with a slightly crispy egg and rummy yolk. When the broken cooks and the rice topping is golden, rich sauce, pure bliss. So we have the pickle in here. We use cucumber and we add in the bowl like this because this one is a little bit sour. This is a symphony of textures and flavors. The soft rice, the tender pork, the creamy pate, and the rich egg. It's a savory, sweet, and incredible satisfying. It's also a surprisingly hearty meal that will keep you fluid with Hanoi adventure. Wow, full of energy for new day. I will probably continue though to see what we eat after this one. The weather is so nice, and the bowl of sticky rice like that, it seemed enough for me to work all day long. Wait. Oh my god, it's savory rice dumpling and it's look a little bit empty. I saw it, so let's go to it. This is the savory rice dumpling and it's look very smooth and hot. Smells so good of banana leaf. It's so soft and almost jelly like rice flour dumpling. Generously filled with savory ground pork and wood ear mushroom. It's wrapped in banana leaf and steamed until it's piping hot and incredibly fragrant. So people often add a dash of chili sauce in here or the fried shallot to make it crunchy. But in here we don't have the fried shallot, which I very highly recommend. When you get it, it's changed from the steamer. The outer laying is super soft, almost melting, contrasting perfectly with rich, savory filling inside. Not plain, but it's really put me in this sense, space, and taste. I think I will get something to drink. A fantastic blend of strong Vietnamese coffee, condensed milk, and a special creamy, slightly salty foam on top. The first sip is delightful surprise. The bitterness from the robust Vietnamese coffee is a perfect balance from the sweet of the condensed milk. But then, the salty foam kicks in, adding a rich, creamy texture and subtle savory note that elevate the whole drink. It's sweet, salty, creamy, and incredible addictive all at once. It might sound unusual, but trust me, it just works. And this coffee shop is offer the great atmosphere to enjoy the unique coffee. It's a fantastic way to experience a modern take on Vietnamese coffee culture while soaking in the historic surroundings. So if you're in Hanoi, grab a seat and order one café muối. Just enjoy the moment. A full bowl of sticky rice and hot Banh Gio, a cup of coffee, a complete Hanoi morning. And if you also like the simple moment like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And see you in the next journey.